Good afternoon, I'm Mike from Cap World in Salem, New Hampshire, and I just wanted to go over one of the trucks that we just upfitted with a A.R.E. Deluxe Commercial Unit, DCU. This cab comes with 3 doors, 2 on either side, 1 in the back, LED dome lights on the inside that work off of a gas prop switch. So every time you open and close your door, your light's gonna go out. No worrying about switches or anything like that. When you come to the side of the cab here, this customer chose to have toolboxes in both sides. This one has a shelf on this side. Again, your LED dome light on the inside with your gas prop switch. Turns the light on and off every time you open and close the door. The other great feature on this truck is where on the inside we installed a bed slide, which helps you put all your equipment inside the vehicle and alleviates you having to climb in and out of the vehicle to get it out. This here is the 1,500-pound bed slide. It stops at a few different spots. Once installed on the truck, comes all the way out to the end here. Again, evenly distributed, 1,500 pounds can be put on this. You have tie downs that are adjustable. You can mount them anywhere you want on these rails. Everything like this is readily available at Cap World at any of your locations.